So guys, today we are going to learn software. So now, what is software actually? Let us move ahead. So, what is software? Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Software comprises the entire set of programs, procedures, and routines associated with the operation of a computer system. A set of instructions that directs a computer's hardware to perform a task is called a program or software program. Now, if for example we have hardware and if we don't have software installed in our computer, what to do? Now, without software, hardware cannot work. Software will give the instructions to the hardware and the hardware will work. Let us move ahead. Types of softwares: application software, system software, and programming software. Application software. What is application software? Application software, or app for short, is software that performs specific tasks for an end user. For example, Microsoft Word or Excel are application softwares, as are common web browsers such as Firefox or Google Chrome. Application software, in short, is a software that performs specific tasks for an end user. Some examples are Microsoft Word, Excel, Firefox, or Google Chrome. Let us move ahead. System software. What is system software? System software controls a computer's internal functioning chiefly through an operating system and also controls such peripherals as monitors, printers, and storage devices, etc. Application software, by contrast, directs the computer to execute commands given by the user and may be in computer. System software means it is the chief software in the computer and it gives all the commands to the hardware of the computer. Let us move ahead. What is programming software? Programming software is a software which helps the programmer in developing other softwares. Programming software is a program or set of programs which helps the software developers by assisting them in creating, debugging, and maintaining other programs and applications. Programming software, in short, are it helps the programming software helps the programmer to make another software. Okay, let us move ahead. Custom software. Now, what is custom software? Custom software development is the process of designing, creating, deploying, and maintaining software for a specific set of users, functions, or organizations. Custom software, on the other hand, is designed for a specific set of needs, such as a field service requirement, maintenance program for a manufacturer, etc. Custom software is, in short, it is made for a specific set of users or organizations. Means, for example, you go to some company, you will not find they will use some other software for their billing and all that. They may be using, I'm not saying, but they will use their software, their organization software. That is called custom software. Types of system software: operating systems, device driver, and utility softwares. Utilities. Utility software is a software designed to help to analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. It is used to support the computer infrastructure, in contrast to application software, which is aimed at directly performing tasks that benefit ordinary users. Utilities means like it helps to maintain the computer infrastructure, in short. Types of utility softwares: file management tool, compression tool, disk management tool, disk cleanup tool, disk defragmenter. It's easy. Operating systems. An operating system is system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. Examples are Windows and Linux. It is a chief program in the computer, in short. Device drivers. A driver or device driver is a set of files that tells a piece of hardware how to function by communicating with a computer's operating system. All pieces of hardware require a driver from your internal computer components such as your graphics card to your external peripherals like a printer. Means, for example, whenever you have your PC or your computer desktop, whenever you attach a pen drive, you attach a printer's cable, you attach a phone wire for connecting it to your computer, you will always see it's going to come as installing driver. Means no external peripherals such as your graphics card or printer, anything cannot work without a driver. Okay, clear? Let us move ahead. Forms of application software. Now all these are forms of application software: word processors, graphics software, database software, spreadsheet software, presentation software, web browsers, enterprise software, information worker software. Word processors. Word processor, computer program used to write and revise documents, compose the layout of the text, and preview on a computer monitor how the printed copy will appear. The last capability is known as what you see is what you get. Pronounce WYSIWYG. Word processor. Means, I will give you an example. Microsoft Word. For example, you have typed a long composition, and as you press Ctrl P, you will see the text, and whatever you see on the monitor, it will print, if you give the print command, the same exact copy what you see on the computer. So these are known as word processors. Let us move ahead. Graphics software. In computer graphics, graphics software refers to a program or collection of programs that enable a person to manipulate images or models visually on a computer. Computer graphics can be classified into distinct categories: raster graphics and vector graphics, with further 2D and 3D variants. Graphics means, for example, you see a movie or you do any animation. So in that graphics which you see, like colors in that, action in that, then if you have gaming, how is the gaming quality in your desktop? Is it like very powerful? The colors are very bright, the colors are very dull. How is it? So graphics is the thing where graphics is used for doing all that. And if you do an animation, we have 2D and 3D animation. Let us move ahead. Database software. Database software is designed to create databases and to store, manage, change, search, and extract the information contained within them. A comprehensive database software program is sometimes called a database management system. Now, if you have so much information, you cannot store it in like one whole page, second page, third page. We cannot do that. So there is a system called database management system, where there is a table like thing, like you can store all your information over there. That is called as database software program. And Access is one of the examples. Access. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software is defined as a type of computer program that helps a user perform numerical functions and analyze numbers through a computerized version of an accounting worksheet. Means, spreadsheet software, like you have accounting, you are doing a job and you have all the paperwork of accounting. So there comes the function of spreadsheet software. One of the examples are Microsoft Excel, and we'll make the tutorial of Microsoft Excel in the future. Presentation software. Presentation software is defined as computer programs designed to allow the user to present information in an engaging way, such as with text, pictures, sound, and video. Means, for example, you want to explain something in an enhanced way, engaging way. How to do that? So softwares are made for that. One of the softwares, very famous softwares, are called Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. Let us move ahead. Web browsers. A web browser, commonly referred to as a browser, is application software for accessing the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the page on the user's device. Means, to access some website or a web page, there is a term known as web browser. One of the examples are Google Chrome. If we want to see a web page, we just type something. For example, I type how to cook cake, how to bake cake. So some information is there on some website, it will retrieve the info from there and show it on its browser. So this is the function of web browsers. Enterprise software. Enterprise software, also known as enterprise application software, is computer software used to satisfy the needs of an organization rather than individual users. Such organizations include businesses, schools, interest-based user groups, clubs, charities, and governments. It is there to satisfy the needs of an organization. It is not for individual users, it is for mass users like organizations, businesses, schools, clubs, governments. So enterprise software is for them, for mass of people. Information worker software. Information worker software lets users create and manage information, often for individual projects within a department, in contrast to enterprise management. Examples include time management, resource management, analytical, collaborative, and documentation tools. Information worker software is mainly for managing information within the department. Okay, clear? Now let us move ahead. Types of application softwares. Now, what are the types of application softwares? Now, first we had seen forms of application softwares. Don't get confused. Now we are seeing types of application softwares. Let us see. In-house software. In-house applications, which are software applications developed by an organization for its internal use, are becoming more and more prevalent. In-house software means it is the software for the company, internal use of the company. Okay, so that it's just that, it's very easy. Now, proprietary software. Proprietary software, sometimes referred to as closed source software, is software that legally remains the property of the organization, group, or individual who created it. Now, sometimes there are softwares that are created by the company and are super confidential. No one can legally it remains in the property, it remains as the property of the organization or an individual who created it. It cannot be shared. Let us move ahead. Off the shelf. Off the shelf software is software that is ready made and available to lots of people. You usually pay a license fee to use it. For example, we have many softwares, like we have software like Kaspersky. It's an antivirus software. It's made available to lots and lots of people, but we need to pay a fee to use it. Same way, we have many softwares like Mac software is free. No, Windows. So in Windows, it is available to lots of people. We have two versions, free version as well as the upgraded version. So it can come in the off-the-shelf software. Now, contract software. The software which is developed especially for a company is known as contract software. What is a web application? In computer system, a web application is a client-side and server-side software application in which the client runs or request in web browser. Means it is a web application where people can do something online on that application. Now, some are there as Google Docs and Gmail. Let us move forward. What does a freeware software mean? Freeware software means that software can be used free. That software can be used free, but you cannot sell it. You cannot sell it, but you have the right to use it free. Like antivirus software, some antivirus softwares are there which are available to you for free. Thank you guys for watching. And if y'all felt my video educative, please guys like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching, and wish your fathers happy Father's Day. Bye guys. Thank you.